To remove the processor and heatsink, remove the top cover. Press the release button and then lift up on the cover latch. Lift the top cover straight up to remove it from the chassis. Disconnect the RAID supercapacitor module cable. Grasp the air baffle and lift straight up to disengage the baffle tabs from the chassis notches. To remove a processor and heatsink module, you'll need a Torx T30 screwdriver. Fully loosen the numbered captive fasteners on a processor heatsink module in the removal sequence shown on the heatsink label. Loosen fastener number 4, then 3, 2, and then 1. Carefully lift the processor heatsink module straight up from the processor socket. With the processor facing up, locate the pry notch and disconnect the nearest retainer clip. Place a standard head screwdriver into the notch near the clip and carefully twist the screwdriver counterclockwise to loosen the retainer from the heatsink. Disconnect the remaining clips in counterclockwise order. Grasp the retainer by the edges and lift straight up to separate the CPU and retainer from the heatsink. Leave the CPU in the retainer and place it in the appropriate electrostatic protective packaging.